Okay, so if P is what we have here and Q is this, we want to express what we have, this expression, in terms of U. So simply you replace P and Q with their representatives, right? Now you can start out this way. P plus Q is 2U over 1 minus U plus 1 plus U over. The denominators are the same, so simply add the numerators. Since the LCM of items that are the same is the same, and will still give you the same thing. So you have 1 minus U, right? Then the numerator you have 2U plus 1 plus U. This gives you what? 3U plus 1 over 1 minus U. Now do the same. You have P minus Q as the denominator here. So that's 2U over 1 minus U minus 1 plus U. And the LCM is still the same, 1 minus U. So numerators will just simply subtract. You have minus 1. Now this is where many students will fail it. This is where they will miss it. And if they miss it here, they would miss the final answer. The minus is going to affect the numerator entirely. Now if I don't put this bracket, the minus belongs to only one. But the brackets becomes necessary because you have two items, right, to deal with. Now you could solve it the way you solve simultaneous equations. 2U relates with the U here, and the minus is affecting every sign here. One has a negative, an invisible plus, right? So 2U minus plus U is what? It's like saying 2U minus U. Now then, minus times plus is minus 1 over 1 minus U. Is this okay? Now 1 minus U, in its converse form, you can write it as minus U minus 1. And if you take it this way, that means your P minus Q is going to be minus 1 because the U minus 1 cancels out. But then some people would prefer to leave it this way and just divide your 3U plus 1 over 1 minus U by this. Fine, it's not bad. Or if you choose to take this, your P plus Q over P minus Q is going to be 3U plus 1 over 1 minus U. So you divide it by minus 1. Or you can take the U minus 1 divided by 1 minus U. But preferably, as someone who is advancing in maths, you could just go on with your minus 1 and know that it is 3U plus 1 over 1 minus U times 1 over minus 1. 1 over minus 1 is the same thing as minus 1. They are still the same thing. But then I want it to affect the denominator. And as such, now here's what we have. And I could just say, therefore, your P plus Q over P minus Q is 3U plus 1 over U minus 1. Because if you check, the minus affects the signs here. One has an invisible plus, so minus times plus, and minus times minus is plus. Is that okay? So please don't hesitate to subscribe. In other words, I'm simply saying subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment of how satisfied you are. If you have questions you would want us to solve, you can send. Just type it in the comment section and you have it solved.